everyone, I am Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 6-year-old. So she just turned 6-year-old. So, beginner level 6-year-old you can say. That to my child. Every child is different, so you can just check that. We are doing spatial understanding in the form of puzzles, 2x3, 3x3. And we had done this puzzle long back, and that time we were not successful in solving. So I created it once again to again make sure that she gets the concept through and we can move after this game. So I'll start from the beginning. So first two games are simple, where I'll explain her the concept, and third gets complicated. So let's start with the first one. Here I have 6 alphabets, P, Q, R, S, T, U. There is position of each alphabet is given here. I need to mark in this 2x3 how they fit. For example, P's position is this, Q's position is this. So it means P, this position is actually this position in this box. That's why I've written P as an example. Now give you R. R will fit in this box. Where is this box corresponding in this one? This is this. So R will come here. Accordingly, S will come here, U will come here, T will come here, and Q will come here. So this is the way I'll explain to her, and I'll see if she's able to do it. This is 2x3 matrix. Now we are moving to 2x4 matrix. Again, same thing, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Just we have 8 alphabets. Position for each is given. Just you have to map it back to here. Like A is here, so A will go here. B will go here. D will go here. C will go here. Accordingly, we'll fill this box. Done. Now we are going to the last one, which is similar but complicated one. Here, again, there are 9 numbers, but only position of 2 is given. So 1 and 2 position is given. Rest of them, they have told where they do not exist. So it looks complicated. It is a bit, I'll explain to you, and it's very, very easy. It's just to complicate the child. That's the intention. So anyways, we put 1 here. So 1 and 2. So these 2 boxes are filled. Now move to 3. So 3 they say is not here, is not here, is not here. So where will 3 be? 3 has to be here because 1 and 2 are already filled. And they'll clearly tell you that 3 is not here. You see? This is very simple. Moving to number 4. Now we have filled 3, 1, 3, 2 and 1 we have filled. Now we have these boxes empty. These last column, this row and this box. For the 4, they tell that it does not exist here. It does not exist here. It exists only here. But because we have done number 2 and number 3 already, we know that here only number 4 can go. So you get that? We have done number 4. Now we are going to number 5. Now we have this 3 done. These 3, this is done. 1 is here, 2 is here, 4 is here, and 3 is here. Now this one is empty, this one is empty. So now they say that number 5 cannot be here, cannot be here. So where can number 5 be? Here, right? So before explaining to a child, the way I'm telling you, just try to do it yourself on a paper. It's very, very easy. But yeah, for a child it'll be confusing. But otherwise, it's very simple logic. And if you do sequence wise, okay? I mean, it's a trick. They do sequence wise. If you do randomly from somewhere, it'll be like confused like Sudoku. But do sequence wise, and the instructions are very, very clear. So these are the 3 critical thinking puzzles we are going to give it to my girl and see how much we can do. So try with your child, and please comment do you like or not, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.